Good day everyone, I'm Ojiribo Latife, a year 3 accounting student, group 21. I'm here to discuss the information and communication technology, the enterprise architecture.
Hi, I'm Odibo Lajide, a theory level accounting student, under group 21.
Good day everyone, my name is Nofileko. I'm a theory accounting student and I'm a member of group 21.
Good day everyone, my name is Achala Ibrahim, a theory accounting student, group 21. I'm here to talk about information and communication technology, the enterprise architecture.
The hardware is the physical part of the information system, or the physical part of the computer system. There are 4 components of the hardware. We have input, processing, storage, and output. What is the input device? An input device is a piece of equipment that provides data, control signal in the information system such as computer. Examples are the keyboard, the scanner, joystick, mouse, etc. The processing system. The processing system is a component that allows us to process information in the information system. Examples are the central processing unit, the graphical processing unit, the network card, and the video card. The storage device rather. Storage is a piece of information that allows us to store data in the information system. Storage capacities are measured in bytes. Typically holds 8 zeros and 1s. There are 2 types of storage. There's the primary storage and the secondary storage. The primary storage only stores non-volatile data, and they are stored temporarily for a short period of time. Examples are the random access memory and the read-only memory, also the flash memory, etc. We have the secondary storage. Secondary storage allows us, they are external to the computer. They allow us to store data permanently and also for a long-term data storage. Examples are the hard disk, the DVD, the CD, and your flash drive. Then last part of the component, we have the output. The output is any piece of the computer hardware equipment that converts information into human passable form or historically physical machine readable form that is used or other non-computerized equipment. It could be audio, video, text, or graphics. Examples are loudspeaker, printers, monitors, etc. Thank you.
Software component is the brain and the most expensive part of the components of the information system. It processes the zeros and ones which the hardware stores, and it serves as an instruction which directs the hardware to carry out tasks. Application software supports all the work and play apps which we use, such as Gmail. Other system software, the activities mostly goes unnoticed as it only performs the basic operations, such as file management. It ensures that all the technology tools involved in the information system all work together smoothly. There are 2 parts of system software. One is the operating system and other utility software. Operating system is more of the backbone of the computer, as it takes care of the basic activities in the computer without which the computer will not even function at all, such as iOS, Windows, Linux, Android. Utility software is more of a virtual mechanic, as it involves a lot of varieties of programs that ensures that every other activities go smoothly by doing the routine checkup. There are 3 major approaches to software development. 1 is commercial off-the-shelf, 2 is SaaS, and 3 is open source software. Commercial off-the-shelf softwares has softwares such as Adobe that are ready to buy, install, and use in the market. SaaS, software as a service, are software such as Zoom, cloud computing, which are owned, managed, and hosted by vendors. Organizations pay subscription fees to access this software via the web. Open source software such as Blender 3D, as its licensing terms comply with criteria such as free distribution. Just like Blender 3D, a lot of projects has been carried out by the community, which makes the software much more beginner user-friendly.
Part of the components of the information system of an organization is the network. And the network is the group of interconnected devices such as the monitor, the printer, the scanner, and so many other devices used in the organization. So in this video, I'll tell you more of the types of network that we have. And the first one I'll be talking about is personal area network, which is PAN. Now this covers 20 to 30 feet within your reach. And the next one I'll be talking about is local area network, which is LAN. And these are networks that you can use at home, in schools, in hospitals, where you transfer, where you connect device from each department in the organization. Then we also have the campus or corporate area network, and this covers a large geographical area like schools, like when I talk about schools, we talk about universities that is larger than personal area network. And we also have the metropolitan area network. We have this metropolitan area network is a connection of lands and plants for a city. Then we also have wide area network, and it's also a connection of lands and plants for a larger geographical area. Then lastly, we have the global area network, which covers the universe. We can transfer information, we can transfer devices, we can transfer resources anywhere from where we are to the world.
Let's talk about the enterprise architecture. Basically, the technology component of an information system consists of three components, which are the hardware, software, and telecommunications. These have been discussed previously. What exactly is the enterprise architecture? This is an organization's master blueprint that describes its current environment and where it needs to head to achieve its business needs or to achieve its mission, focusing on its business needs, strategy, and the technology infrastructure required to achieve it. Now, I want to discuss some factors that a company needs to consider when selecting its enterprise or designing its enterprise architecture. Number one is cost. We have to talk about, or the company has to calculate and decide the cost of the hardware, software, and telecommunications going to use. We also consider the business needs. What does the business need the hardware for, the software for, and the telecommunications for? We also consider human preference. Some individuals in the company, some employees might be better suited to some hardware components and some might not, such as Android and OS. The software, some employees and even the top level management might prefer a particular software over some. So these are particular factors that need to be considered when selecting the enterprise architecture. There have also been various trends in enterprise architecture over the years, such as virtualization, what else? Cloud computing, and many others.